dawn. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you.
Luck with lovers before, and I couldn't compete. I seemed just part of the street, to be walked on by everyone. But then I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. I found a very special love in you, and it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Give me more loving than I've ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special even when I know I'm not. Make it feel good when it hurts so bad. Barely getting mad, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1, 2, There's 3, only 4. One thing to do. 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one way to say those 3 words, and that's what I'll do. I love you. Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. This love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let 'em say we're crazy, don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the
60th anniversary, or should I say 5th anniversary. Ayun nga, thank you sa mga nagdaang taon, nagdaang buwan, nagdaang araw na nakasama kita. Sana magustuhan mo yung mga surprises ko this day, kahit alam ko may mga clue pa na, kahit pinakailaman mo yung YM Facebook ko for sure. Ayun nga, sana matuloy yung mga plan natin this day. Yun, gawin natin yung lahat para mas masaya. See you later. I love you. Bye-bye.